Hey guys, what's up? My name's Alyssa, and today I'm going to be making rainbow snow cones. Yay! Okay, so we are going to be making the syrup first. It's 3 simple ingredients: a half a cup of water, a full cup of sugar, and like a flavoring packet like Kool-Aid. Mine's Flavor Aid. And yeah, let's get started. First things first, you turn on high heat. Wait, what? I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Okay, here. High heat, and remember you need parental supervision to use the stove. Okay, first things first, a half cup of water. You have to put the water in first. Oh.
Our stove is preheated.
Yeah. Okay, now we add the sugar. Okay. See? Oh, nothing happened. That's good. Okay. Now you need to mix it. And you want it to dissolve, right? You need to stir it for about a minute on high heat and make sure it dissolves and yeah. But when it is boiling, it should start bubbling up. But the best part is about this, when you make the syrup, it's cheaper and you can do whatever flavor you want, like grape and stuff. I'm using grape, lemon, green apple, and and cherry. Yes, and cherry. We have pre-made ours, but after the syrup is completely done, you have to let it cool. It's really boiling. So the steam is really hot.
You could pull it off the stove.
Oh yeah, it's probably a good idea. It's probably time. Okay, so you pull it off the stove. Make sure you do not burn yourself. Can't burn. Everything's hot. Hotsy. Okay. Yes, now you pick the flavor packaging. I want tropical punch. Yay. Okay. Got a little bit in my nose. Ooh, it's pinkish. Okay. So once you add the flavor packet, then you start to stir it. Look at it. I bet this one's gonna be really good. It's already kind of. Oh, and the reason you add so much sugar is because you want it to be thick. That's what syrup is. Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
It also gets thicker as it cools.
Yeah. I wish you guys were here so you could smell this. But also, you have to have a snow cone machine too, which I already had, but yeah. But when you do this, you have to make sure it cools down. We pre-made some. We already pre-made some. See that even Jolly Rancher has the drink mixes.
You could pick any kind of flavored drink mix you want. It could be Kool-Aid, it could be Jolly Ranchers, Flavor Aid, anything you want.
So this is lemon. This one's like the thickest. Look at that. That's really thick. This one we have to put too much water in. That's grape. This is a cherry and green apple. Okay. So now we're going to put it in the ice machine. Oh, it's merging together. Also, you need ice for this. Like 2 scoops of ice. And one more scoop. Because it's frozen solid pretty much. Okay. Now it's all in there. Now close it. But yeah, now that it's closed, I'm just putting this towel down in case I spill it. And then you put it here. You gotta make sure it's there. Yeah, that should be good. I'm gonna flatten it down with this. Pat it. Cut. Well, this is kind of why this means ice with ice. Not a big deal. Okay, like this. Now I'm gonna fill the ladle up so I have that little scoop thingy. I'm gonna pat this down. And we pat here, and we pat here. Okay. And now we just take it and we go right here and kind of. Yes, I think we did that right. Right? Did that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now we take the flavoring, the best part of all. And then I think I'm gonna do it in rainbow order, right? That's a good idea. Okay. Right here. That's alright. It's alright. Now, yellow. Pinch it a little bit so it spreads a little bit better.
Ooh, so gooey and delicious.
This looks good though. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna add the green. I'm gonna point this one too, because the pointier the better. Mine's, ooh, that one's nice. It's light green. Let's go over. Okay. Last, but certainly, did I break the cup? Next side, okay. Listen, you break this cup. I broke even more. Okay, well, good thing this is the last side. Alright. That looks really good. Okay, now this is if you want to be really extra. So this, you get airheads. Okay, you get one.
Is this the rainbow part you're making? The surprise?
Yes, the rainbow part. Okay, you get one. And you cut it in half. I'm trying to make sure this out really good. Okay, like that. And over to the top. That's out of it. And then it has a skewer. And then you fold it in half. And you stick it through. Careful not to poke yourself. Okay, now you make it wide.
Aww.
The rainbow.
That's the
And
cutest
now-
little rainbow.
The best thing. Now,
Dun dun dun.
I might go overboard. Now I'm gonna try not to. But,
Shake it.
oh yeah.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake. Okay. To move it. Okay, I think it's good now. Okay, one. Oh, a little bit further on this one too. Okay. Trying to balance this up. Okay, that's perfect. Now, you add the rainbow.
Aww.
And now you have a little rainbow Slurpee. I mean, snow cone. Oh my gosh, I get that confused sometimes. And look, it's really cute.
Aw, it's beautiful.
That's what he says. Yeah. No. If you want to see more cool videos, please like and subscribe. Bye!